Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that's occurred over the weekend is that the bulls have shown back up and are now starting to bounce higher and higher in the upwards direction. So the main, kind of dynamic as of the recording of right now is, okay, can this upwards move continue to build upon itself? So the first question then, and a great question to help answer that question is going to be, where is the price at relative to this area here at 9,600, which is a level of resistance I've talked about in past videos. Never quite put the annotation in there, but now that the price is, doing battle with it and bouncing right up around that level, then it's worth at least getting annotated out. So I'm a little jealous of those of you that watch it. So let's just use the 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one just simply becomes, where's the price at relative to 9,600? If the price is up above it, well then, hey, that means that this current upwards movement has, continued to build strength, has continued to hold on to that bullish momentum. And then at that point, the next question would be, okay, well then where's the price at relative to 10,000, which is the next main overall area of resistance. If somehow you're answering the question that the price is now up above 10,000, that would just imply a very, very impressive movement. On that, on the opposite side of things, though, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,600, that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the chart or anything like that. But the next question you would want to ask yourself at that point in time would be, okay, well, yeah, it's below, the 9,600 mark, and we'll stick with the 20-hour number. So 20 hours from now, yeah, it's below 9,600, but where's the price at relative to 9,260? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 9,260, so in other words, it's down below 9,600, but it is up above 9,260. So in other words, it's somewhere right around here. Then all that means is the consolidation continues, and it's a good, nice, little solid consolidation. Now, of course, preferably speaking, assuming you're bullish, you want to be answering the question that the price is up above 9,600. But I just want to really reiterate that by no means is, the chart destroyed or ruined or the end of the world or anything, just because the price may still be down below 9,600. But like I said, if it is up above 9,600, then the further up above 9,600 it is, the more powerful and more bullish the chart has become. But overall, those are going to be the main levels to watch going forward. So walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.